Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's very noisy, right? 1 second. I have a mystery box here. So let's do, okay, let's do a quick solution to this. Let me just affix this to my shirt. And voila, much better, right? So I actually am filming from a very noisy background just to test out the Lavalier mic. So like I was trying to say earlier, welcome back to our channel. This is Case Technologies and we are here to unbox and give our review of the Hollyland Lark M2. Alright, so like we unboxed earlier, you can see this is our case. We got the Hollyland Lark M2. Really exciting product, and what we have here is the combo version, right? And we'll get into all of that shortly. And the first thing we were welcomed with is, of course, the receiver, because what we have is the combo version. We have for the lightning and we have for the type C, right? And we are currently using the lightning to make the content for this video, right? And here we have our, this is where we have all our Lavalier mics housed, and it also serves to charge it. And this is for the camera. If you get to maybe connect via camera, you can also utilize this. But since we're actually working with mobile, we mainly use this. And we actually have two microphones. We have two microphones just in case you want to you and someone. But yeah, so also in the box we have these pamphlets and lots of cool stuff we have here. We have lots of exciting stickers. Hollyland, we are here for you, after SIM cards, and this is also very exciting, and I've been seeing lots of videos around this. It has various sticker configuration. This is for white, and this is mainly what everybody loves using. That's like if you are like, you want to hide your, you want to like hide your you don't want the brand to be. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, you can see how easily hid with the black sticker, the branding is covered now. And I think this is really one of the things that makes Holyland very unique. And inbox, so I think that's for that. We have the stickers, then we have some manuals. We've got some user manuals, packing list, yeah, bunch of paperworks, and there's no other thing inside here. And our housing, we also have another, lots of cool stuff right inside here too. And what do we have? Okay, there's no other thing in there. We have our bag. This is like our storage bag. What do we have in our storage bag? Okay, we have type A to type C for charging. Okay, what do you call this? Is it AUX? Well, this is for camera, and this is an exciting one. I'm so sorry. So this right here looks very scary and funny, but just in case you ever think you have a need to uh, have a protection for your mic, I think that is where this comes in. Honestly, this really feels very funny. I'm trying to see if I can, and I really do feel it really disrupts the beauty of the entire mic, and it's actually not that easy to affix. But I think once you get it done, it will get easier. So yeah, I don't know if you like this. Trying to locate the head. Okay. So yeah. All right. So you can see how this looks. I don't know how I don't know how you would want, but I really think it really does, it really helps greatly on wind. It helps to ensure that your voice, there are no those echoes, and those wind noises are reduced, right? It does that well. And you also have two of these. You also have two of these for your two mics if you want. And this is something I really love so much that I'm very certain I'll be using a lot often. And this is like it's the lanyard. You just affix your mic to it. My goodness, you affix your mic to it, and you can just wear it. Right? It's actually very magnetic. Let me bring this out. So it's actually also magnetic. How do you how do you work with this? So yeah, I think I really do love this way better. It's just as though you're putting on a necklace, very magnetic, and on the go, that easy. You also have two of these. And in here you have like a clip, and the gum that they use for these things is extremely strong. You have like a clip. You also have two of these. That's for if you're in a situation where, okay, um you want to, like, clip somewhere, maybe on your glasses or wherever. And there are lots of strong magnets on this stuff. Really fantastic. Strong magnets everywhere. Has strong magnetism, and I think that really makes it very cool. I really love how the quality of the magnetism of everything they have here. So I think that's for all of that. And we can, yeah, so that's literally everything we have in our box. So there are lots of Lavalier mic producers out there, and Holyland is just one of them. And I think I like Holyland because of their pricing. It's very cost effective. So I'm currently shooting at close range to my phone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move about 50 feet, and let's test out the mic. Yeah, just stay there. Go back. So I'm currently around 50 feet. I'm 50 feet from my camera, and as you can see, you hear me very clearly, right? And on purpose, this video is being shot from, the main road is actually just right here. We're actually by the road, and it was done on purpose for us to get to test how active this noise cancellation really is. Because a lot of the video you see around about this mic, when you know, they're already in a well-controlled uh, sound environment, and then when they activate the noise cancellation, it doesn't really sound that cool. So that's why I actually came to a noisy background to test this out. So thank you so much, guys. If you have any other gadget you would love us to unbox or review, do leave in the comment section. But I personally, a lot of persons ask me which of the mics I would prefer. This Holy Land is like they did a lot of unique things. They have lots of unique offerings. The most exciting is you being able to, you know, hide their label, unlike other brands that would like DJI putting all their branding and labels on you, forcing it on you, showing the whole world that you're using a DJI, or you can cover this, right? Although the magnetic case, you know, still has that their logo, but it's still cool as far as it's here. So yeah, I can't recall exactly what I was saying before the iPhone died out. So I actually switched to another phone right now, and as you can see right here, I have my Type C returned back to my box. So yeah, I do hope you had a great time, you know, with us in this video. And I want to apologize for the environment at which I'm shooting this video from. I think the noise is actually way extreme for even our mic, and you might still hear a few noises in the background. But yeah, I think we've put our lavalier mic to the ultimate test, so I'll be looking forward to seeing your comments and your views right in the comment section. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any other content you'd love us to shoot specifically for you, do feel free to uh, write it for us in the comment section. And if you'd like to purchase this, right, you can also reach out to us on WhatsApp, and we can help you get this. You know, like we were saying earlier, there are various versions of our Hollyland mic. There are those specifically for, you know, just Type C. You can get just the type for the Type C. It's cheaper. I think it's around $129. Then there's a version for just Lightning that is around 139, and then there's a camera version, I think still same range of 139, 140 for just a camera version. And then so that's like the 4 complete versions, and then we have the combo version, which is this that we use for this video. So whether it encompasses them, or whether you're a Lightning, whether it's for camera, Type C, Lightning cable. So that's why I would always advise people to get the combo version. So it's just around, I think, $159. It's not that expensive. And you could also check out couple e-com stores. They could be running some promo prices, and you could get it for some discounts. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. See you on the next one. Bye. So another really exciting thing about the Holy Land is really their attention to detail. I really love this bag. You know, it really does feel premium and qualitative, and their product designers are just on fire. Like literally, the packaging is just so, you know, premium. I really love how they were, you know, smart enough to like place this little paper thing here, so that when you're trying to open up the carton box, you can easily take this out. These are tiny little bits of your unboxing or reboxing that really makes a great difference and gives you that great experience, right? So I really commend them. Good job, team Holy Land. This is really This is really a fantastic work you've put together, and voila,